hey, here's how you make text into a hyperlink. So let's say I want count to 10 and I've found a strategy I want to use. So I'm going to use this video just for practice, right?
Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about.
Okay, so you have to go up here, copy the link, go back to your document. So we want to link that to count to 10. So we click on here, click this link, and then you paste your link here. And now this is going to be a link to that video when they click on it. If you want to link it to more things, you would make, or like a page with a list of things, you would make another, you would go to your Drive, and then you would make a new Google Doc, call it count to 10. And then put all your stuff here, whatever you're going to put. And then go over here to share. Click get shareable link. This is important to look here. So for this purpose, I would click more and put on anyone with the link can access it. Otherwise, it's going to say sign in or you don't have permission and all that other dumb stuff. So I would pick this one, click save, click copy the link, and then go back to your choice board. And take out the YouTube one if you don't want that, and then you click this whole page. So that way, when they click on this, it goes to your document with more information. That's if you want to link more things to one strategy. Okay, let me know if you have questions after this.